Carrot.
Carrot.
It's a candy carrot.
Candy carrot.
Bubbles.
Bubbles. Princess Bubbles.
Whoa.
Markers. What else? Is that it? What's your favorite thing you got? Those roller skates?
The roller skates?
Eat the chipmunk.
Oh, did you think you got anything else?
That would be my favorite thing too.
What?
You might want to look around. Sometimes the Easter Bunny does leave surprises.
Yeah, Easter Bunny likes to hide stuff.
Like eggs, you know, like I had eggs.
Can you open my roller skate?
What?
You don't want to look around for anything else?
Look, bring him here. Bring him here.
Easter Bunny might have hid something.
What do you think he could do?
I don't know. Maybe you should look and see if his helper's still outside.
I'm gonna go. Hang on now. Is there anybody out there?
No.
Hmm.
Go away. Go away. What is?
You see an egg out there?
Where? I don't see an egg. I don't see any eggs.
Can I use this basket to put eggs with?
Yeah, when Kathy gets here.
Okay.
Go show Gigi where the egg is in front. Show me where the egg is outside.
A bite. That is so silly.
It's cold, Daddy. Go get it and bring it in.
You think that's yours?
I think it's Mommy's.
No. I'm hungry.
What?
I'm gonna go get my shoes right now. I gotta do shoes.
Wait, it's cold outside. Daddy's gonna bring it in.
Clara.
No, you probably still should put your shoes on. It's a good habit.
Clara. Bring her over here.
That calls for Ruby shoes. Ruby shoes.
It's got a doll.
Who's that doll?
Do you know who the doll is?
Can you take her out?
Yeah.
Well, that's her seat to ride in.
Come here.
Your baby rides in that seat.
Can I ride on this part?
Mm. It's a little bit bigger than your tricycle, huh?
Put my helmet on, please.
Smart girl.
Whoa.
Not too big.
Come here.
Over the big hole in your armpit. It's only 7:30 in the morning right now. Whoa, Clara. It's going to be real hard on this carpet. It's really hard just to push the bike on the carpet. Whoa.
Get out of there.
Hey, guess what?
Get ready. Ray's eating that grass.
Hey, we'll take you on a bike ride in a little while. After breakfast. It's hard to push on the carpet.
You were not raised that way.
Do you love it?
It's a princess.
You got a honker on there.
What?
That's all pinkalicious.
Sounds like a bird.
Is that cool? Push him.
She's not gonna be able to ride on the carpet.
No, you gotta push it just like you would with your tricycle.
It pedals the same way.
There you go.
Whoa.
It stopped.
No, we gotta get you outside on the concrete. How much do you love it?